In this video, we'll show you how to install QuantV in GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So QuantV is one of the most popular graphics mod for GTA 5, and it's also compatible for GTA 5 Enhanced. It makes the enhanced version looks even better. So first, to install QuantV, you can go to his Patreon, QuantMods, and here, as you may know, it's a paid mod, so you have to pay $10 for the membership to access the Discord server where you can download the mods. So in the Discord server, you can easily download it. So for example, we want to install the enhanced version. What you want to do is just click download content, and then you'll have a message with the download link. So just click the link and the download should start. Alright, for this to work, we need OpenRPF. You can go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description. So here, just click download and save it on your PC. Next, we also need ScriptHookV. I'll put the link in the description. So here, just click download, and that's all we need. Alright, after you download everything, you will have the QuantV enhanced zip file, OpenRPF, and also the ScriptHookV. And to install them, you also need your GTA 5 directory. To find it on Steam, you can go to Library, right-click on GTA 5 Enhanced, Manage, and select Browse Local Files. On Epic Games, go to Library, look for your GTA 5 Enhanced, and then click the three dots next to it, Manage, and click the folder icon. So first, let's install OpenRPF. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR or 7-zip, but for this, I will use WinRAR. So right-click and open it, and inside it, you'll have OpenRPF ASI. You simply need to put this into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. So let's go ahead and do that. Drag it into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory, and that's done. Alright, next, let's install ScriptHookV. Open up with WinRAR. Go to bin folder, and here what we need is xinput, ScriptHookV, and dinput 8. And as before, we're gonna drag and drop it into GTA 5 Enhanced directory, and that's done. Now we can install QuantV. So let's open up the zip file, and here you'll have the readme file, part 1 folder, part 2, and optional. So let's start with part 1. Open it up, and inside it you'll have base mod download URL. So you can open it up, and here you can download it through Google Drive. Just click download, and the download should start. After you finish downloading, you can open up the base mod zip file, open the folder, and here you'll have mods folder. So to install it, the same as before, drag and drop into your GTA 5 Enhanced main directory like this. Alright, and that's done. We can close the zip file now, and let's go ahead and install part 2. Open up this folder, and here we're gonna do the same. Select everything and drop it into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. Let's go ahead and do that. And that's done. Alright, if you cannot open your GTA 5 because of the direct problems, you can delete this D3, D12 DLL, and you should be able to launch your GTA 5 Enhanced without any problem. Alright, now let's go to the optionals folder, open it up, and here you have few options. So first, let's install the trainer, open up the folder, and then go to the main folder, and here just put these two files into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory, and that's done. Let's go back and install the reshade ScriptHookV compatibility. If you want to use reshade, then you have to install this. Open up the main folder, and we're gonna put this ASI files into your GTA 5 Enhanced, just like that, and that's done. And then you can open up the visual presets. Here you have two reshade presets, but if you go to QuantV Discord server, there is many more presets you can download and install. So go ahead and take a look at them, and if you like one of them, you can just click download here. But for this video, I'll just install one of them. Just like before, put these files into GTA 5 Enhanced directory, and that's done. Alright, everything is done, but before you open GTA 5 Enhanced, on Rockstar Games Launcher, go to Settings, and make sure you disable Battle Eye, because QuantV will straight up doesn't work if you have the anti-cheat on. Alright, we're inside GTA 5 Enhanced now, and as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. And here you can open up the reshade menu by pressing home on your keyboard, and then you can toggle on some effects here, and then if you install more than one preset, you can click here, select the one you want to use, and then hit select. There we go. And for the trainer, you can press F5, and here on the graphics menu, you can increase the glossiness and stuff like that. And basically, this is similar to other trainer. That's it.